Emeril John Lagasse III is an American celebrity chef, restaurateur, television personality, cookbook author, and National Best Recipe Award winner for his turkey and hot sausage chili recipe in 2003. He is a regional James Beard Award winner, known for his mastery of Creole and Cajun cuisine and his self-developed New Orleans style. He has appeared on a wide variety of cooking TV shows, including the long-running Food Network shows Emeril Live and Essence of Emeril, and is associated with several catchphrases, including Kick It Up a Notch and BAM. Lagasse's portfolio of media, products, and restaurants generates an estimated US $150 million annually in revenue. Emeril John Lagasse III was born on October 15, 1959, in Fall River, Massachusetts, to a French-Canadian family from Quebec. His parents are Emeril John Lagasse Jr. and a Portuguese mother, Hulda Medeiros. Lagasse worked in a Portuguese bakery as a teenager, where he discovered his talent for cooking and subsequently enrolled in a culinary arts program at Diamond Regional Vocational Technical High School. His talents as a percussionist earned him a scholarship to the New England Conservatory of Music, but he chose instead to attend Johnson and Wales University in hopes of becoming a chef. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.